Okay, look what we have. 1998 Ford F150 step side. 27-year-old guys, 27-year-olds. I still feel like it is like 15-year-old truck, don't you think? Comment below. So time flies, guys. So don't spend your time left and right. Spend your time wisely. Each day is a gift. So let me show you this truck. So, as you see, it's in great shape. Step side. The paint is beautiful, shines. It is original paint with new tires. Oh yeah. Extended cab V8 4x4. Beauty. I still like this body style. If you like this body style, that means you're 35 and plus, definitely. Let me show you inside. So here is the interior. Seats are in great shape for 98. Someone installed an aftermarket sunroof. All right, 72,700 miles. It is one owner truck. And we will take it for a spin. Yeah, I checked the 4x4 already, so it works. Since we don't have much snow, I'm gonna drive it on two-wheel drive. It is 4.6 liter. I'm pretty sure, but I'm gonna double check because they also come with 5.4. Full stop, and let's go. First gear, second gear, third, and fourth. No lights on the dash. Someone painted this console because the paint does not match, and I think it's a little bit peeling. So if I would do this, I would do the same thing, I guess, or even worse. I think it was peeling before and someone painted it. So yeah, drives good, she's good. Nice interior. Some flowers. Okay guys, good luck. If you have any questions, you can comment below. Please share with your friend. You know which friend? Yes, that friend what I'm talking about. You can share with him. He's gonna like this. Even if you don't buy, at least you're gonna appreciate. Bye bye guys. Good luck.